Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Ctrader and Tradelocker. In order to do so, here we are at ctrader.com and we're also at tradelocker.com. According to Ctrader AI, Ctrader and Tradelocker are both trading platforms used in the financial markets, but they cater to different audiences and offer various features. Here's a detailed comparison. Ctrader is primarily designed for forex and CFD trading. It is favored by retail traders and institutional clients. It aims to provide a high-performance trading experience with advanced tools and features appealing to both beginners and advanced traders. Tradelocker, on the other hand, is typically more focused on trading automation and algorithmic trading. It's aimed at traders who are interested in leveraging trading algorithms and automated strategies, and may appeal to more advanced traders who want to implement quantitative strategies. Core features include for Ctrader a clean and intuitive interface with customizable charts and tools for technical analysis. Supports various order types, including market, limit, stop loss, and trailing stop orders. It includes C-Algo, a built-in algorithmic trading environment for creating custom indicators and automated strategies. It features a social trading platform that allows users to share and follow trading strategies. Tradelocker, on the other hand, has automated trading focus, primarily emphasizes algorithmic and automated trading solutions, allowing users to create, backtest, and deploy trading strategies effortlessly. Supports integration with various APIs, enabling traders to connect their trading algorithms with different market data providers or brokers. It often includes advanced risk management features to help traders manage their exposure and execute their strategies efficiently. Ctrader is known for its user-friendly interface and is relatively easy to navigate, especially for trading execution and charting. The platform is designed to support both manual and automated trading, creating a balanced experience for users. Tradelocker, as it focuses heavily on automated trading, it may have a steeper learning curve, especially for traders who are new to algorithmic trading. However, once users become familiar with the platform, they can leverage powerful automation features. Ctrader is known for its execution speeds and is designed to handle high volume trading and larger volumes efficiently. It provides real-time pricing and robust charting tools. Tradelocker aims to optimize performance for algorithmic traders, ensuring quick execution of automated strategies and handling multiple orders simultaneously. The platform may also focus on minimizing slippage and enhancing reliability. For the pricing model, Ctrader typically offered by brokers, it doesn't charge direct fees for platform use, but trading costs may include spreads, commissions, and fees determined by the broker. Tradelocker, the pricing can vary based on the service provider. Some platforms may charge subscription fees or transaction fees based on the volume of trades executed. In summary, choose Ctrader if you're looking for a comprehensive trading platform suitable for forex and CFD trading with strong support for both manual and automated trading strategies. And choose Tradelocker if your primary interest lies in algorithmic trading and automation and if you want a platform optimized for executing complex trading strategies. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Ctrader AI, take a look at the description and you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Ctrader AI, a phenomenal business strategy tool that we highly recommend. You can also find links there to Ctrader AI in order to get started, and take a look at EnzoBot as well. You'd be helping us out and we would greatly appreciate it.